Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device and the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the phone, which you can see right over here. For this, you do need to take off a case if you have one on, and then using the tool, find the little insert area, which is closer to the corner, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards, so one on each side. Clip the card in place. It should be laying completely flush on the tray and not falling out if you flip it upside down. And then just insert it back into your device. Give it a moment. And there we go. So now we just get to confirm our SIM card pin. Now the reason it takes so long for the phone to actually detect the SIM card is because it's not detecting the SIM card. It's going out of its effing way to change the language of the phone. This was not in English, or this was in English, and now it's in Polish. That's what I kind of meant to say. So great, odblokowanie karty SIM. How about you stick to the language that I chose throughout the setup process? Thank you very much. So for the people that just insert a SIM card because, you know, maybe you live in a country where you don't speak the language of, which happens. I guess China doesn't think that that's possible, but it might happen to some people. So it might be more beneficial for you to use their SIM card from the region that you're living in right now. And right now your phone is probably in a language that you might not actually understand. So I'm going to quickly go over how to change it back to the language that you were using before. So we're going to select the little gear icon right here, or wherever it's located for you. Swipe all the way down to System and Update. Oh boy, needed to sneeze. Anyway, in here, you want to select the third option, which is language and region. You can just count them down. And then select the first one, which is language and region, and second option, or like second blue text, which is adding a language. And then find your language. Now, not only does HUAWEI change the language, it completely also removes it from this list, as there was English here before. So I'm gonna scroll down, select English. There we go. It pops up with this kind of pop-up right here. So I want to select this option right here on the right side to change it. Now, if it changed the language for you to a language that is written opposite from the opposite side. So as an example, obviously Polish and most languages are from left to right, but maybe you have one that is from right to left, then these options will actually be flipped. So to change it, you would be selecting it on the opposite side. So it's opposite of where the wording is located right now. And there we go, we have our language back. So great. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.